Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Children Call Cops on Karen Over Her Disgusting Behavior.
2025. Officers received a call from a child claiming to have witnessed a physical altercation between parents.
Crystal Lake Police!
Exactly.
Crystal Lake Police!
Yeah, can you come get him?
Yeah, what's going on? Hold on, come over here.
Get him out.
Okay, come over here.
Exactly. Go. They're right here. Get him out.
Hey, hold on, hang on there. Come over here. Come over here. I gotta get you guys separated. Come on over here. Go.
Get out.
No.
No, yeah, you can.
No,
yeah.
I'm not gonna leave.
Get out.
No.
Yeah, because I didn't let you in my house,
No.
so get out.
Well, I'm investigating
No,
domestic.
get out.
No.
I'm gonna count to 3 and you better get out. Okay,
Then
so
you should
one.
know. You shouldn't touch me. You should know
Exactly,
that once you call.
so get out because I didn't let you in my house, so get out.
No.
1.
No. What's going on?
She talking to him like that's one of his kids or something. That I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2. Like that ain't your kid.
So get out.
1,
and then I'll
2,
talk to you
3.
and I'll come out. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
No, I'm gonna come out.
Okay.
You can talk to me, right?
Okay,
I know
what's going on?
Come on.
I gotta stand right here. Okay, I'm gonna stand right here.
Lawyer. Come on.
Okay, you can sue me later. You can do whatever you
No,
want.
because my door was open. I didn't let you in. So
Okay.
get out. Please
Well,
get out of my
I'm
house.
investigating this.
Okay.
What's going on?
I'm gonna count to 3 and then you gotta
1,
get out of
2,
my house.
3.
Yes, get out.
2, and I'm 10 for.
Officer Diaz.
Yep.
I'm gonna say 1, 2,
Okay.
3. And you gotta get out of my house.
Okay.
Right?
No.
You know
What's
the
going
law,
on?
right? Okay.
Yep. I'm investigating
so we can
domestic.
come out
What's going
and
on?
we can talk out.
What's going on?
1. And I know my
Okay,
laws.
then finish to 3.
All right, so
we
then
can
get the out. Get out of my house because
No.
I didn't let you in.
No.
Because the door was open. I didn't let
No.
you in.
What's going on?
Get out of my house.
Nope. What's going on?
Get out of my house.
Can you take a breath? Your kids are right
No,
here.
I don't give a that my kids are
Well,
there.
I
Get
do.
out of my house.
Well,
I
I
don't
do.
care. Get out. 1.
Okay, what's going on?
Okay, but we're not gonna
Where
talk.
is he at?
Nope. So you can get out. Get out of my house. You're
No.
not allowed to come in. You're stupid.
Okay.
Get out.
Okay,
1, 2,
that's
3. Get
fine.
out. Get out. I'm not gonna touch you, but you gotta get out.
No, because I'm investigating.
No, because you're not allowed in my house. I didn't let you in. 1, 2, 3. I didn't let you in. Get out.
No, I'm gonna wait for my backup and then.
No, you're gonna get out.
Don't
I'm gonna-
touch me.
No,
If
well-
you touch me, I will arrest
Okay,
you.
so then get out.
No.
I'm telling you right now, you gotta
No.
get out. Okay, well, I'm not gonna talk to you.
Okay.
So are you gonna get out or not?
No, because I gotta talk to both.
No,
of you
because
guys.
I didn't let you in my house.
Okay.
Okay, so can you please step outside and I will step out with
Here,
you?
you can
With
talk to my.
yes.
Yep, my sergeant's right here.
Yeah.
You can talk to him
Can
right
you guys
here.
not come in my house because I didn't let you in?
Sure, we'll talk outside.
Yeah, can we go outside because he's not listening?
Okay, we're here.
Yeah,
now,
but you guys are not listening. I didn't let you in
You're
my
not
house.
listening.
No, you're
Okay.
not listening. I didn't let you in my house.
We're not gonna yell in front of the kids.
But I mean, the kids are used to it. So are you? You're not gonna come in my house because I didn't let you in my.
The kids are used to it. Do you think that's a good thing? Is that a good thing? The kids are used to it. Used to the abuse going on, used to the yelling. That's not a healthy environment for children. I'm not gonna lie to you. Woo!
House.
Is there any other
Okay,
adults?
no, there. Okay, Diaz.
Manny's in here.
Okay, exactly. I'll come out with you.
Yeah, go ahead.
Come on, let's
Yep, go ahead.
All 3 of us. Let's go. Because I didn't let you guys in.
Okay.
He knows the rules. Can you come out? Because
Go
he's
ahead.
not. I didn't let you guys in. Why are you guys in my house?
There's a 911.
No,
phone
there
call.
isn't. Did you call 911? So
This
neither
can-
did I.
This can be.
Can you guys come out of my house or not?
My sergeant's trying to talk to
Exactly.
you.
Can you come out of my house or not?
Miss.
Okay,
this can
yes,
all-
I will come out with you. I
This
will.
can all-
All 3 of us can come out with you.
This could all be resolved with the
Exactly.
conversation.
Then let's go outside. But you guys are not allowed in my house.
That's
Let's go.
fine. Grab him and come outside.
Because he knows the law. So can we come outside or not? Let's go.
Let's go.
Because we know the law. Exactly. Let's go. Retard?
They talk?
Yeah. Moron. So go outside. Exactly. Go outside.
Go ahead.
No, I will go after you because I'm gonna go because you know I'm not
Go
stupid.
ahead.
Let's go. You know the law. Don't. Because I didn't let you in my house. The door was open, but
Miss.
I didn't let you in my house.
Miss.
My sergeant's trying
Diaz,
to talk to
come
you.
outside of my house
sergeant's
because I
trying to
didn't
talk to
let
you.
you in. I know. He knows the law. I didn't let him in my house. Come outside my house, Diaz.
Can we stop yelling?
No, I'm not going to stop yelling because I didn't let Diaz inside my house. And I know all 3 of your cameras are on and I didn't let Diaz inside my house.
That's fine.
So can you tell me to come out? I will step out with him. Can you you tell him?
No.
Yes, because that's the law.
We need to make sure everything is okay here. And
Okay,
we
so
have
then do you
anger.
not see it okay or not? That's fucking retarded. Come out. Because I didn't let you in my house, Diaz. Step outside my house because I didn't let you in. And you don't have permission to be in my house. Yeah, this guy came in my house without me letting him in.
Okay,
I know you guys know the rules.
911.
Okay, who's the 911 call from? Who? Say the name.
I don't have a name.
Okay, well then call your dispatch and call and ask for her name. So then what's the name? What's the name? What's the name?
I didn't get the
Okay, so can you please call your dispatch and ask for the name? Because I know you guys do that. I'm not new to this. I'm not. So can you please call your dispatch and ask for her name?
So why?
Can you call dispatch and ask for a
What's her
name?
name? I just got here. What's her name?
Yeah, I don't need to talk to you. Can you ask dispatch and ask for a name? I'm not trying to be rude. Can you guys get out?
Okay.
Go over there.
You said mommy was
Because
hitting dad?
I let you in. I didn't. You just barged in. I didn't let you in. Can you get out?
Well, the door was open.
I'm
announced
going
myself
to
as
tell you to please get out of my house.
No, my boss already told you that I wasn't.
Can he please come step out of my house and I will step out with
No.
you? Yeah, because I didn't let him in.
No, and I already told you.
I didn't let you in. I didn't. Can you come tell him that we didn't let him
Why
in?
are you so hostile with us? If you-
Because don't step in my house.
But why are you being hostile?
Because I didn't let you in and I know the f***ing law. So stop this step.
I'm trying to understand, where's the father? If the child is saying mommy hit daddy, okay, now, but I see the mom. Where is the dad? Why isn't the dad coming out talking? Or is he so scared of this woman that he's just gonna stay and not say anything? Like I don't understand this.
Listen, just try
Because the number came from my phone.
to reason with us.
Oh my God, I'm not reasoning with you. Get out.
Be rational.
Get out.
Be rational in front
Get
of
out.
your children,
Get out.
in front of your
Get out.
children.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Because I know the law, dude. Moron, you gotta go.
Okay.
You gotta go, Diaz. You know the law, dude. I will get you fired. You gotta go.
That's fine. I already told you.
Okay,
You can
gotta
sue me
go.
later. You can
All right,
fire
fine.
me.
You
That's
gotta
fine.
go right now. I will come out with you and I will talk to you. But you gotta
Okay,
go.
I have
Let's
to
go
sit here.
then.
Okay, let's
Then
go.
let's go. You gotta step out of my house because I didn't let you in.
No, I can't.
Yes, 100% you did.
No.
You gotta go.
Okay.
Because I didn't let you in my house, so you gotta go. Please, step out. I'm not gonna touch you because you guys played this. Oh, you touch me. I'm gonna arrest you. You gotta
Yep.
go.
You already
Exactly.
remember you already touched me. Yep,
No,
so I told
didn't.
you.
So
Yeah, you did.
gotta go.
Over
No,
here.
you didn't. So play it back. You gotta go. Can you take your officer with you? I will come out with you guys. Because I didn't let him in.
He can make his own decision. I'm not going to touch
Yeah, but he's gotta go. Because he's waiting for me to touch him and he's a fucking moron.
I'm
So
not
you
waiting
guys
for you
gotta
to
go.
touch me.
Okay.
I'm waiting for you to
Well,
talk to
alright.
us.
Fine.
I'm not leaving you
Yeah.
here.
Perfect. Great. Then you can
No,
stay in
you're
here.
not
Yep,
doing
yep,
that.
Yeah, you
No,
can, yeah, this
I'm
is my
gonna
house.
place you under
This is
arrest.
my house,
I will
and I
give
can
you
no.
one last
No,
warning.
because this is my house. I
I
know
will
the law.
place you
I know
under
the
arrest.
law.
You're gonna be under arrest.
Okay, so
right.
okay, but I can't let you guys in, right? Exactly.
You're close to getting a battery on me there.
Oh
now
my
stop it.
God, you guys are so stupid.
Stop.
Because I know the law.
And then, what did you do? What'd she do when you tried to reopen the door?
She was trying to keep it locked, and I said, if you keep interfering, I'm gonna arrest you, place you under arrest.
Did she touch you?
Did she touch you at all?
Yeah, she was scratching my whole hand. It hurts. I'm not even lying. Like her nails. I mean, I don't know if it's red or anything, but she has all these prosthetic nails. I mean, look right here, right here. Look, you can see it right here. I mean, I'm not. Look, you can see she was scratching me.
You don't open the door, we're going to kick down the door. You got 5 seconds or we're going to force our way in that door.
1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. She's coming.
Okay, you're coming with me. You're under arrest
Why?
because you
No,
scratched
I'm
me.
not.
Yes, you are.
No,
You're under
I'm
arrest.
not.
If you resist, you will
I'm
get
not
another
under
charge.
arrest. No, I'm not.
If you resist, you're gonna get another charge.
Under arrest.
Under arrest.
Why?
Get up.
Because
Get
No,
up.
I'm not. No, I'm not.
Bring her up. Bring
Get
her
up.
up.
Why am I under arrest?
Get away from the children. Put your hands back.
Why am
Put your
I
hands
under
behind your back.
arrest? Why?
Here,
Tell me
grab
why.
this hand.
Tell me
Grab
why.
this hand.
Tell me why. I don't have
This is right
clothes
here.
on.
There you go, please.
What? Call police.
Don't-
What?
don't
No.
move.
What police officer?
They're gonna get another charge for
What
resisting.
police
Why are you
officer?
getting in
Okay.
trouble?
Wait, can I get some clothes on, please?
No.
Please.
Put
I don't have clothes on.
Back.
I don't.
Put your hands behind your
I
back, or you're
didn't.
gonna go on the ground.
I got behind you, okay?
Yep.
But I didn't. Can I get some clothes on?
Nope, nope, we're past it.
You guys
We're
did it
past
on
it.
purpose.
We're past that point.
See,
right now.
I'm straight to you mark
We're past that
83.5.
point. Close. All right, past that point.
Okay, so then tell him. I'm gonna stand right here. Like still, literally.
Good?
Yeah, I got it.
Literally, I'm gonna stand right here. Can you tell him to give me clothes?
Yes. All right, let me adjust these so they don't close
What's
up.
your name?
You're under arrest now.
What
so
is
you
your
need
name?
Otherwise, you have to go to county.
Yeah.
Okay, well, can you guys give me clothes and then I'll tell
Otherwise,
you
we're
my
going to give you
name?
no instructions.
I literally don't have
Yeah.
clothes on.
We're going to get you clothes.
But
What's
can
your
you tell me
name?
to give me clothes and I'll tell you my clothes?
He's working on it. What's your name? Why can't you just tell us your name to make this easier?
Because why are you guys arresting me? I didn't call you guys.
I wouldn't give her nothing just because you're playing games. You don't control what's going on here. You don't got clothes on. That's understandable. We could get you something, you know, so that way you're presentable when you go down there. No problem. But you can't answer simple questions. What is your name? You're trying to play these games. Well, when you give me clothes, no. It don't work like that. It don't work like that. You're under arrest. Identify yourself. Period.
Listen. I don't,
You guys see my
listen,
face or not?
listen.
You got these kids in a toxic environment. You're a nut job. All right. That's pretty much what's going on here. And the guy, the father, he's the one sitting there on the bed. He's so scared. He can't even speak up for himself. I don't know what type of guy this is. The officers are here. You're just going to stay cooped up in the room and not say nothing? What type of stuff is this?
Okay.
Yeah.
You should at least work
Yeah,
with
because
us.
this guy came in like,
Listen,
100%. I didn't let him in.
He's not letting you go.
I didn't let him in with
He's not letting
permission.
you go.
I didn't.
If you ever,
Do you
so
see
now
a battery?
we don't know that.
Okay,
We're still
can you call him over here?
Because if you hit him,
Okay,
you
so then,
wouldn't have
can I
marks.
sit there and you guys call him out here and then ask
We're
him?
past that point right now.
No, we're not. Because
we
you guys
are.
could just, no,
We
you're
are
not.
past
Because
that
I didn't
point.
let him in. Can
You're
you let me
past
go?
that
I'm not
point.
going anywhere.
No, the way you're
You're
acting,
under
I'm letting you go.
arrest for
Okay, but I'm not going
touched me, you
anywhere.
To
Moron.
the car and bring clothes out to
Okay.
the station.
Awesome.
Can you guys?
To the car.
Oh,
To their car.
Yep. Perfect.
Stand back.
I don't have
You
clothes on.
Oh, who's that?
Yeah, I don't have
Stand back.
clothes on.
Stand back.
I don't have clothes on.
All right,
ready?
I'm not. I don't
Ready?
have clothes on.
Car.
I don't have clothes on.
Oh, now he want to step outside. That must be the boyfriend. Now you got something to say.
Your car?
I don't know whose car this is.
literally-
This is mine.
Other side. Come on.
I don't
Come
have
with
any
us.
clothes on.
Come with us.
Oh my God,
Is it clear?
this can't be happening to me.
Okay. Have a seat in the car.
Get in the car.
God.
Get in the car.
No.
Get in the vehicle, or we're going to place you in the vehicle. Get inside the
What,
vehicle.
can I
Get inside the
be there for
car.
like a second, please? Because I've never,
5 seconds.
I've never.
Listen,
never
listen.
hold on, I know.
You have to calm down
I
and
know,
breathe.
but look.
Listen, just stop
No,
talking.
listen,
No.
I've never been
Just
arrested. Please
stop.
Give me a breather.
Just stop talking
I know.
and breathe.
Hold on.
Stop
I know.
talking.
I'm
I'm trying to. You need to stop talking and breathe. Deep breaths. Deep breaths.
I know you guys can
Listen,
see that, please.
just stop talking and you can breathe. You're not allowing yourself to do
I know,
that.
but
Stop
he's
talking.
holding me really tight.
Because you're
Can you just hold me?
Because you're
Yes,
falling.
Can you
You're
let
falling.
No, look, I'm
Okay,
standing.
well, we don't. You're
Can you-
under our
just
custody.
you.
We can't let
Just- I
go.
know, I'm not gonna
Here,
let
do you
go.
ever?
I have.
Can you
Yes.
let go?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you just give me a breather for like a second? I'm not gonna move. I promise.
I can't let go of you.
I know, no. But
Just take a breath. He did. He let you go. He let you go.
I felt it.
Okay, what's your name so we can go on a first name basis?
Karen.
Karen, what's your last name?
The woman was charged with aggravated battery on a police officer and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video.
Well, in that case, that's probably gonna get dropped. But you know, it is good to at least have the kids get a breather for a couple of hours or whatever the case may be. Just have her go through the motions because it's too toxic in that household, man. It's too toxic. Them couple of little scratches or whatever, that's getting dropped. But that's not the point. The point is she need to get her act together. And the fact that the kids are used to you yelling and all of that being loud, that's not normal. That's not normal. Do parents argue? Yeah, they do. But not every day. Not like to the point where it's like, not to the point where it's so bad that the child has to call the cops on their parent. Kids don't want to see their parent in trouble. So imagine how bad it is. How bad mommy is beating up daddy for the child to call the cops. It's insane. Anyway, I get officers 5. They did pretty good. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.